cooking words. Wash, washing. Wash your hands before cooking. Can you wash the vegetables, please? Peel, peeling. Can you peel the potatoes? Can you peel the apple and slice it? Slice, slicing. Could you please slice some more bread? Can you slice the cucumber for the salad? Pour, pouring. Could you pour more water, please? Pour some more milk on the cereal. Mix, mixing. Mix 2 eggs and water, then slowly add flour. Bake, baking. I bake a cake for my parents every year. Boil, boiling. I am boiling an egg for lunch. I boil some broccoli and carrots. Grill, grilling. What are you grilling? I'm grilling hamburgers, hot dogs, and vegetables. Fry, frying. Can you fry my egg for me? Let that bacon fry until it's nice and golden. Stir, stirring. Can you stir the vegetables? Stir the soup carefully. Visit inworldschool.com.